everyone, my name is Sabrina. Welcome to Sabrina's Magical World. So today I'm going to be doing a video about stopping a bird how to bite. Okay, let's get right into the video. So this is my new bird, Sky. I got her just like a week ago maybe, and he bites a lot. So please do not give a punishment to your bird. That's number one. So if you give a punishment to your bird, it will lose his trust and never, play with you or do like that. So what we're going to do today is train him so he cannot bite you anymore. So do not give him millet, because he will think that's a reward and he will still do that, keep doing that. Because he will want the seeds. And yeah, we don't want, see? He bites a lot. Not just like bird, like a little bit like with his beak, but it's a really big bite. So if your bird is new, it'll be maybe like that. Just like that, because he'll be just scared and a little bit frightened to be with you in the first days, and then you'll start training him, and then he'll be your BFF forever. Thank you for watching all my videos. See you never.